Welcome to English Universe. Today, I have an incredible story for you. A story that can change the way you think about life. It is about a young man who faced struggles, failures, and heartbreak, but found a way to turn his life around. This is a story of hope, determination, and courage. Watch till the end, because this story might just change your life too. Ethan was an ordinary young man. He lived in a small town, had big dreams, but no clear direction. Every morning he woke up, looked at the sky, and wished for something magical to happen in his life. But every day felt the same, boring, dull, and without meaning. One day, Ethan lost his job. It was not a great job, but it paid his bills. He sat on his small bed, staring at the wall, feeling empty. "What do I do now?" he whispered to himself. He wanted to do something big, something great, but he had no confidence. He thought of himself as an ordinary person, someone who was not special, not talented. His friends moved forward in life, but he felt stuck. One evening, as he walked aimlessly through the streets, he saw an old man sitting on a bench. The man looked wise, with deep wrinkles on his face, but his eyes were full of energy. Ethan hesitated, but then sat next to him. "Sir, can I ask you something?" The old man smiled. "Of course, young man. What is on your mind?" Ethan sighed. "I feel lost. I don't know what to do with my life. I feel like I'm going nowhere." The old man nodded, as if he understood. "I once felt the same," he said. "Let me tell you a story." Ethan leaned forward. There was once a boy who grew up in a poor village. He had no money, no special skills, and no opportunities. But he had something important, curiosity. Every day, he would ask himself, "What can I do today to become better than yesterday?" He started small. He read one page of a book. The next day, he read 2 pages. The next day, he tried writing. Then he practiced speaking in front of a mirror. Each day, he improved little by little. Years passed, and the boy became a great businessman. Not because he was lucky, but because he believed in small, daily improvements. The secret is simple. Never stop learning, never stop growing. Ethan listened carefully. The story felt personal. The old man placed a hand on Ethan's shoulder. "You are not stuck. You just haven't taken the first step. What is one small thing you can do today to change your life?" That night, Ethan could not sleep. His mind was racing with thoughts. The next morning, he made a decision. He would start. He didn't know exactly what he wanted, but he knew he had to take the first step. He began waking up early. He read books about success. He learned new skills online. He practiced public speaking alone in his room. It felt silly at first, but he kept going. Months passed. Ethan started feeling different. He was more confident, more aware. He got a new job, a better one. He made new friends who inspired him. He even started his own small business. 1 year later, Ethan walked through the same street where he had met the old man. But the bench was empty. The old man was gone. Ethan smiled. "Thank you," he whispered. Ethan's life had changed. Not because of luck, but because he took the first step, and he never stopped moving forward. If you feel stuck in life, remember Ethan's story. Start small. Improve every day. Believe in yourself. One day, you will look back and see how far you've come. Thank you for watching English Universe. If you enjoyed this story, Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring stories. See you in the next video.